Is yawning contagious? Absolutely. In fact, yawning is so contagious that even reading about yawning can make you yawn. Studies have shown again and again that people who see other people yawn, even in videos, are more likely to yawn. Yawns don't catch on among children younger than 5 or among people with emotionally dampening disorders. That leads researchers to believe contagious yawning is just another way humans enforce social bonds. Humans are social and emotional animals. We tend to understand and feel the emotions of friends and even strangers. Yawning falls into that category. Whenever we see someone yawn, we yawn.